So we've learned a little bit more about the relationship between age and friend count, and we did that using conditional means. We'll return to these two variables later, and we'll see their relationship to a third variable in Lesson 5. But for now, let's see how Moira used a slightly different approach to pair a histogram to summarize her raw data.
So here's an example of how we paired raw data with summary data. So here we have these scatter plots where we're showing people's raw guesses of their perceived audience size against their actual audience size. And you can see they all fall below the perfect accuracy line, so people underestimate. But it's still kind of hard to get at the big picture from these scatter plots. And so we use some histograms to capture more summary data. In this case, these two histograms show how much people over or underestimated their audience size. So here on the left, at the 0 mark on the x-axis, that's how many people guessed their audience size perfectly. If they had a lighter color blue, those are people that underestimated their audience. So you can kind of see how many people underestimated their audience by about 25% versus 50% versus 75% and so on. The darker blue are people who overestimated their audience size. And you can just see from the chart that far fewer people overestimated their audience size. If you look on the right side of these summary plots, this is for people's over or underestimations. When you ask them about the whole month, how many people in general do you think see your post? And you can see that people don't underestimate quite as badly.